Hi dear students, welcome back to the section of mathematics of class 10. Today we are going to deal with the MCQ part of the chapter triangles. So dear students, in this chapter actually we are going to deal with two things. One is about the similarity of triangles. The other one is the basic proportionality theorem. You know that inside this chapter, the portion of areas of triangles is already removed for this year. So we are not going into that section. We are just keeping into this particular topics and we will be discussing about that. So this is very important that you have to know some particular theorems regarding this one. If you understood the theorem behind this one, that will give you the easier way to get into the solution for each problems within 1 minute. That's our motto, right? So let's go for it. First of all, let me tell you what is the similarity of triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar. Okay, if two triangles are said to be similar, you already studied in your 9th class about correspondence, right? Corresponding triangles, congruence and all these things. So in this chapter, we are going to deal with similarity of triangles. When you're dealing with similarity, the only thing which you have to keep in your mind, see, just if it is said that two triangles are similar, just take two triangles ABC and DEF. Most probably we used to take like this. This is the symbolic representation of like this. That is a symbolic representation of a similarity. So if two triangles are said to be similar, if they are said to be similar, it means that the corresponding sides, the ratio of corresponding sides should be equal. That means ratio of corresponding sides means AB by DE, this one, AB. So that is the first term, right? If you're taking the first two sides, that means this side, AB, corresponding side is DE. Right, that is the corresponding side. What about the other one, BC? This one, the corresponding side is EF. What about AC? It is DF. So all these three sides will be having the corresponding sides of these two triangles will have the equal ratio. They are corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Keep that in your mind. And also one more thing, this angle A should be equal to D and the angle B should be equal to angle E and angle C should be equal to angle F. So this is the condition regarding the similarity of triangles. There are different theorems regarding this one, supporting this one, AA similarity, AAA similarity, SAS, like that. There are plenty of theorems. Keep that in your mind, leave that behind. Because we are dealing with only 1 mark questions. So in a capsule method, I'm going to define what it is. So keeping this much in your mind, let me go to the next theorem, which is called the basic proportionality theorem, or that is also called the Thales theorem. This is very important here. And the proof of that one is very important, but we are only dealing with the MCQ section. That's why I'm just giving you. See here, if a triangle is given, okay, if it is ABC, just imagine that XY, it's a line segment which cuts this AB at X and AC at Y. And one more thing is very important. Inside this one, the main thing given is that this line is parallel to BC. They are parallel to each other. Means that line is parallel to the base. Don't think that even if I draw on the center, almost on the center, don't think that this is the midpoint. It may be or it may not be. That is not the condition. That's not the relevant condition. The condition is that the line whichever cuts this AB and AC, that should be parallel to the base. That's all. So if this is parallel, keeping that in your mind, if these two lines are mentioned parallel, then the condition is, the theorem behind this one is AX by XB will be equal to, here AX by XB will be equal to AY by YC. At the same time, we can say AB, I took the total, AB divided by, means AB by AX will be equal to AC by AX. So here we will take correspondence AY. At the same time, now we took AX, right? We can go for like this also. AB by, now I took the whole, then I'm taking this much part, by XB will be equal to, tell me, AC by, here I took XB, so here it will be YC. So we can take YC. Even if it is YC or CY, both of them are same. Okay, keep that in your mind. Both of them are same. If I told YC, in other textbook, if you saw CY, both are same. Because a line segment AB can be also named as BA also. It's not that much different to each other, right? It's the same thing. Okay, keeping these things into mind, we are getting into the question part. So here goes the very first question of the chapter triangles. So this is your question. XY is drawn parallel to the base BC of a triangle ABC, cutting AB at X and AC at Y. Just this same figure. This is the same figure. Okay, so here you can see that is the triangle given, and XY is drawn parallel to the base BC, and this XY, it is cutting, this X is cutting AB at X, and you can see AC at Y. That is the condition given. And from this one, there are some things given to the question. Let us see the question. What is given? If AB is equal to, AB is given, AB is equal to 4BX. So let us note it down. AB is equal to 4BX. That is the first condition given. What is the second condition given? YC is equal to 2 centimeter. YC is also given 2 centimeter. YC is also given. You have to find AY. Focus your eyes on this part. YC is given. This is given. You have to find AY. This one. Means this is given. YC is given. You have to find AY. This is the condition given. So from this one, already I told you these are the proportion theorems, right? Keeping this in your mind, you have to bring this one to this thing. So bringing this to this one, AB and BX. Where is AB? AB, BX, this much part. AB is the whole, BX is this much part, right? So from this one, if I'm bringing BX to this side, I can write like this. If I'm bringing BX to this part, this equation can be written like this. AB by BX is equal to, I brought this BX to it. So 4 is already there. Divided by, nothing is there. So it will be 1 itself. So AB by BX, I'm bringing this BX here. So 4 by 1, it became 4 by 1. So AB by BX, we already know AB, where is AB? AB by BX. So we know that this AB by BX is equal to AC by YC, isn't it? AC by YC. So we will write AC by YC is equal to AX by BX, and that is 4 by 1. So we are writing 4 by, I told you it is a MCQ question, so there is no need to write all the steps together, right? Just write the relevant one. So as these two are equal, this one also will be equal to 4 by 1, isn't it? So now you have to find AY. That is the question, AY, right? Yeah, you have to find AY. So from this one, AC, is it given? AC is given? No. What is given? Is YC given? YC is given, right? YC is given 2. So just substitute here. So AC by 2 is equal to 4 by 1. So cross multiplying, you will get AC is equal to 2 into 4, it is 8. Whole AC you got 8. It is 8 centimeter. Whole AC you got. Is it AC which you want to find? No. You want to find AY. You want to find AY. So total AC is 8 centimeter and YC is already given 2 centimeter. AC is 8. This much is 2. So how much this much will be? 8 minus 2. What is it? 8 minus 2. That is 6. So we will say this AY is 6 centimeter. So in the options, option number 3, right? Inside there, you can see the option number 3 is the correct question. Correct right answer for the question. So we will mark that one. So AY is equal to 6 centimeter is the right answer. Hope you understood this one, right? Going to the next question, question number 2. Next question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand vertically on a ground. So just imagine there are two poles. One is 6 meter, another one is a little longer one, 11 meter. They are standing on the same ground, okay? They are standing on the same ground. So you know that there are two poles. They are lying on the same vertical ground, right? One is 6 meter and another one is 11 meter. And the next thing which is given inside the question is the distance between the foot of these two poles are 12 meter. So let us simply draw. Just imagine that this is the ground. This is the ground level. And one pole is of 6 meter. Another pole is of 11 meter. And the distance between this foot is 12 meter. This is the diagram which should come inside your mind, okay? And now you have to find the distance between the top. The distance between the top means from here to here. This is the thing which you have to find. Okay, so there is no need to write A, B, C and etc. because I told you it is a 1 mark question. It's just in a fraction of a second you have to bring the solution. So just listen to this one. You have to find this distance. So here, if I'm joining this one this will become a right angle triangle, isn't it? In a right angle triangle, we are going to use the theorem of Pythagoras, the Pythagoras theorem. So keeping this in your mind, anyhow, the distance from here to here is 12 meter itself. So this is 12 meter itself. And what is the distance from here to here? No idea, but it is given. Because the total distance is 11, and from here to here, if it is 6, that means from here to here, if it is 6, then from here to here, it will be 5, because 6 plus 5 is 11. So we can say this is 5. From here to here, this is 5, and from this point to this point, it is 12. So this is the thing which you have to find. So 12, 5, and what will be this one? Obviously, it is 13. If you're checking by Pythagoras theorem, you will get it. Already, you know that 5, 12, and 13 are called the triplets of the Pythagoras. Just like 3, 4, and 5. They are also the triplets. If 3 and 4 are the base and altitude, then definitely the hypotenuse will be 5. Similarly, if 12 and 5 are the base and perpendicular of a right angle triangle, definitely 13 will be the hypotenuse, right? It's a triplet. So without doing it, if you know, you can just simply do it, or else you can just use the Pythagoras theorem by using hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. You can simplify that and you will get the 13 itself. So 13 is the right option. So here you can see there are 4 options: 12, 14, 13 and 11. And 13 is our option number 3. Just mark that one, that will be the right answer. Hope you understood. Now let us go into the next question. So the next question is, there are 2 triangles given in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. So 2 triangles are mentioned. So let us draw simply 2 triangles, A, B, C. Another triangle DEF. Before drawing the triangle, let me tell you. See here, one thing is given. Angle A is equal to angle E. So I am drawing like this. A and E are equal. So I am bringing that E on the top. Then what is given? Else what is given inside that question? These 2 are equal to 40 degree. Means this is also 40 degree. This is also 40 degree. Okay, keep that in your mind. AB is to ED. AB is to ED. AB is to ED. So I am putting here ED. AB is to ED is equal to AC is to EF. AC is to EF. So this will be F, obviously, right? So AB is to means AB by EF. Just imagine like this: AB by ED is equal to AC by EF. That's the meaning of this one. Even though we are writing E is to, same thing, because it's a proportion, right? You know, you studied this in ratios and proportion in your 8th class and 9th class regarding this. So no need for further explanation. So AB by ED, AB and ED, AC and EF, AC and EF, they are having the same proportion. So this much is given inside the question. Now what is the thing which you have to find? Angle F is equal to 65 degree. Angle F is equal to 65 degree. Okay, that's also given. Angle F is also given, it is 65 degree. And now you have to find angle B. This is the thing which you have to find. Now tell me where is angle B? Here is angle B. These 2 angles are equal, it is 40 and 40, right? Both of them are 40 degree each, 40 degree each. That is given. Now these 2 angles are equal. That's the first thing. Then there is a proportion given. AB by ED is equal to AC by EF. That means these 2 triangles are similar. These 2 triangles are similar. If these 2 triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles also should be equal. That means the corresponding angle to A is E. So A and E should be equal. The corresponding angle to C is F. So these 2 should be equal, and B and D also should be equal. Now F is given as 65. So already it is given that A is 40. F, as it is 65, this one also will be 65. What about this one? This is the thing which you have to find. So what about this one? If this is 40 and if this is 65, 65 plus 40, how much it is? 105. So altogether the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. You know it is 180 degree, right? All the triangles, all the 3 sides, if you are adding together, it will be. So this ABC, so here this is 40 degree. So it is ABC, right? So here it is 40 degree. C, as F is 65, this one also will be 65. So what about this one? Add those 2 things. What you got? You got it as 105, 105. So what will be this one? 180 minus 105. How much it is? 75. So 75 degree will be the right answer. 75 is the correct answer. So angle B is 75 degree. Hope you understood, right? So that much. So first of all, what you have to do means you have to write the similarity. If you understood the similarity, from that similarity, what you have to do, you have to construct. So every time draw like this a figure, because whenever you are drawing a figure, it will give you much more vision, it will give you much more clearance. You will understand very clearly what is given, what is to be found, and which equation is the relevant one, so that you can apply there and you will get the solution within some time. So this is very important. So if you write like this, definitely you will consume the time and you will get the answer within 1 minute, I assure. So that's it from this question. Let us go to the next question. So here goes the next question before you. In triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. So two triangles, again the same thing, ABC and DEF. Most probably we are using the same thing. So in these two triangles, AB by DE is equal to BC by FD. So that is the condition given. So first of all, let us write the condition given. What is the condition given? AB by DE is equal to BC by FD. So this is the condition given regarding those two triangles ABC and DEF. Then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle DEF when there are four conditions given. So you have to say that if this is one of the conditions given regarding these two triangles, and if we want to say that these two triangles are similar to each other, they are similar, then among these four options, which one will be the right? Here goes the four options before you. Okay, so these are the four given options. Among these four options, one will be the correct one. So which one suits for this similarity? If you want to say this triangle ABC and triangle DEF should be similar, which among this one should suit that one? Is it this one, or is it this one, or is it this, or is it that? That's the thing. So see here, AB by DE, AB by DE, corresponding sides. Is it correct, right? The first two and the first two, AB by DE. And the second one, BC. So BC by EF, right? But here it is BC by FD, it is not EF. If we are seeing the similarity, BC by EF should come here, but BC by FD is the given condition. So actually this is not the similarity. That's the thing which should come in. This is not the exact thing. This is something misplaced here and there. If you understood this placement, then definitely this will come into your mind. Very fast you can give the answer for this one. So we are going to check this one. So this is the condition given in these two triangles. And you want to say that these two triangles are similar. So let us bring that one. AB, DE, AB, DE. The first two are correct. BC, FD should come. BC, FD should come. FD. So just let us interchange this one. ABC, keeping that one in that position itself, similar to. Instead of DE, I am writing ED. I am just interchanging EDF. I am just interchanging this DE by ED. Already I told you in the previous question when we were discussing about that, I told you if you're taking a line segment, you can call it by AB or you can call it BA. Both are same. So if here it is DE is given, ED is also correct one. Okay. Now let us check whether the similarity are correct. AB by DE. Is it AB by DE? It is same. Then BC. BC by FD. BC by FD. BC is the second and third. FD, second and third, right? So now this is the actual one. So we can say that this is the similarity, not this one. This is the original similarity. So from this one, tell me, A will corresponds to E. Is it given? A to E, it is not given. Then leave it. A to E is not given. A to E should come. A to E is not given. A to E should come, but it is not given. Leave it. Now what about B? The corresponding angle to B is D. Is it given D? Yes, it is. Angle B, angle D. So here it is the second one. The second one is D. So B, D. So this one is our right option. So this is the way how to understand. So first of all, even though they are giving the similarity, you have to bring it to the original similarity. You have to bring it to the, by interchanging here and there in one or two times when you are continuously trying to do this one again and again, multiple times, just keep on practicing this one so that you can just by a glance, by the single twist, you can get the answer. Just by twisting one digit here and there, you will get the correct answer. So from this option, this is also right. Angle A should correspond to angle E. That's also right, but it is not given here. Then angle B should correspond to D. So we are checking angle B and angle D. Yeah, it is given. So if C is given, they will give C and F should be given. But among this one, you know that's not one of the options given. But so these are the three correct options. So check the correct options, place that one. That's the answer. It's easy, right? Okay, coming to the next question, and that will be the final one of this chapter. Here, it is something regarding the perimeter. Let me read the question for you. In triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, such that AB is equal to 9.1 centimeter. Let us write that one. AB is equal to 9.1 centimeter. It is given. DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. That's also given. If the perimeter of triangle DEF is 25 centimeter, all these things are centimeters, okay? If the perimeter of triangle DEF is 25 centimeter, you have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. That's your question. So here, as I told you regarding this one, first of all, I told you about similarity, right? When we are talking about similarity, from this condition, you can say there are 6 things to be found. From this one, what you can say? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, and that's equal to BC by EF. And that is also equal to the perimeter of ABC divided by the perimeter of DEF. That means even though the sides, the proportionality of the sides or the corresponding sides are equal, that will be also equal to the perimeter also. Okay, so the perimeter of triangle ABE and DEF, they are having a proportion which is equal to the proportion sides, means that's equal to the corresponding sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides. That's the theorem which we are going to apply in this question. So here the condition given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the condition given. From this condition, you can write that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and that is equal to AC by DF. These are the 3 things which you can write. And that is also equal to the perimeter of ABC divided by the perimeter of DEF. Is that clear? That much is right. So now the perimeter of ABC divided by perimeter of DEF. So I am writing perimeter of ABC divided by perimeter of DEF. Is actually, you can't write like this. I'm just writing because I told you we are dealing with 1 mark question, so simply I'm writing in rough. That's why I wrote P of like that. So perimeter of ABC divided by perimeter of DEF is equal to, you can write AB by DE, or you can write BC by EF, or you can write AC by DF. Which one? So here AB is given, so I'm going with AB. AB by DE. Is it DV given? Yeah, it's also given. That's it. So now let us substitute the values. What is perimeter of ABC? It is the thing which you have to find. So keep it there. Perimeter of ABC divided by, what is the perimeter of DEF? It is given 25 is equal to, what is AB? It is 9.1. What about DE? It is 6.5. See, anyhow, on the top and bottom, as both of them are having a single decimal, right? After the decimal place, you can see there is only a single number. So you can simply, if you are multiplying the top and bottom by 10, this will become 91 and this will become 65. You can multiply the top and bottom by the same number. It doesn't make any difference for the given fraction. So while multiplying by 10, this point will vanish from here. This point will be vanishing from here. So there will be no point here and there will be no point here. Now we can say it will become 91, it becomes 65. Okay, you can do like this. So you got 91 and you got 65. Now what you want to find? You want to find perimeter of AB. So we can write perimeter of ABC is equal, if you are cross multiplying, it will become 25 into 91 divided by 65. Right? This 25 and 65, you can cancel them. In which table? Both of them belongs to the table of 5. If you are cancelling them in 5th table, here you will get it as 5, and here it will become 5 1s are 5, 15, 5 3s are 15. And these two things again you can cancel them, right? 13 7s are 91. So 13 1s are 13, here 13 7s are 91. So on the top only 7 and 5 is there, on the bottom only 1 is there. So 7 5s are 35 centimeter. That's the answer. So here in the question, the fourth option is the right option, option number D. So you have to bubble option number D, and 35 is the right answer. Is it clear? So that's it from this chapter, triangle. So this is the way how to understand each questions. So all together, let me conclude that if you know this much part, the similarity of two triangles and how to distinguish the proportionality of this one and how to apply, where to apply the Thales theorem. If you know these things, from that base, you can solve every problems inside this particular chapter. So it's so easy, you can do it, keep on practicing, don't waste your time. So we will meet again in the next class with a new video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Have a wonderful day.